Hello everyone, I am Karthik, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture video, we will discuss about transforms and PDE. PDE stands for partial differential equations. Okay, what is partial differential equation? A partial differential equation is an equation containing an unknown functions of two or more variables and its partial derivatives with respect to these variables. The order of the partial differential equation is the highest order derivative. Formation of partial differential equations. Partial differential equations can be formed either by elimination of arbitrary constants or by the elimination of arbitrary functions from a relation involving three or more variables. Okay. Next, what is the difference between ODE and PDE? ODE, the ordinary differential equation or equation where the derivatives are taken with respect to only one variable, that is, there is only one independent variable. Partial differential equation are equations that depend on partial derivatives of several variables. The general form of partial differential equation is f of x comma y comma z comma dou z by dou x comma dou z by dou y equal to f of x comma y comma z comma p comma q equal to 0. Here dou z by dou x means partial derivative of function z with respect to x. Next, dou z by dou y, partial derivative of function z with respect to y. In this equation, x and y are two independent variables and z is the dependent variable, that is function z is equal to f of x comma y. Z is in the form of x and y and p equal to multiplication of z into x and q equal to multiplication of z into y. Next, different integrals of partial differential equations. There are four types of solutions of that. First one is complete integral solution, second one is particular solution, third one is singular solution, fourth one is general solution. Complete solution. Consider the equation number as the partial differential equation. Then the complete integral of equation 1 is given by pi of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0, where a and b are two constants. Particular solution. By giving a particular value to arbitrary constants in a complete integral is called particular solution. In previous example, in equation number 2, we give some particular values to a and b. After substituting a and b, we get the particular solution. Third one is singular solution. The relation between those specific variables which involves no arbitrary constant and it is not obtainable as a particular integral from the complete integral. The equation is pi of x comma y comma z comma a comma b equal to 0. Partial derivative of pi with respect to a and partial derivative of pi with respect to b is 0. General solution. The relation between the variables involving two independent functions of the given variables together with an arbitrary function of these variables is called general solution. Some types of first order equation. Let consider f of p comma q equal to 0 is a partial differential equation. Then the solution will be z equal to ax plus by plus c and f of a comma b equal to 0. Here a and b comma c are constants. Second tip, consider the equation z equal to ax plus by plus f of a comma b. If these type of differential equations called Clairaut's form of partial differential equations. Type 3. If the partial differential equation is given by f of z comma p comma q equal to 0, then z equal to, the solution is z equal to pi of x plus ay. By substituting u equal to x plus ay, the final answer is z equal to pi of u. Okay. Give some Real world applications of partial differential equations. Partial derivatives are used in basic laws of physics. For example, Newton's law of linear motion, Maxwell's equations, Einstein's equation in general relativity. In economics, we use a partial derivative to check what happens to other variables while keeping one variable constant. There are three types of second order partial differential equations are there. First one is elliptical, second one is hyperbolic, third one is parabolic. In next video we will discuss about second order partial differential equations. These are the reference. Thank you.